Good day, students and viewers. Welcome back. My name is Abdulaziz Idris, your regular Start 132 lecturer. And in this video lecture, in our second video lecture, we are going to take the second example of probability distribution functions, and we are dealing with binomial distribution. Before us here is a question that a survey shows that 2 out of 10 products produced in a factory in a particular day are damaged. If 15 products are selected at random, what is the probability that A, exactly 3, B, less than 2, C, more than 3 of the products are damaged? Now, we look at our formula. Already, we have a formula. To solve this, we always have to think of our own formula that the probability of x is always equals to n combination x times p raised power of x times q raised power of n minus x. Now, what is n? What is x? What is q? What is p? We think of p and q now. Look at the question. A survey shows that 2 out of 10. So you see, P is equals to 2 out of 10. The probability is 2 over 10, which is equals to 0.2. We have gotten our P. It is clear that from P we can get Q, because P plus Q is always equals to 1. P plus Q is equals to 1. Probability of success plus probability of failure is always equals to 1. And this implies that Q is equals to 1 minus P. It means Q is equals to 1 minus 0.2, and that is equals to 0.8. So our Q is 0.8. And we go back to the question and see what is the value of X and what is the value of N. If 15 products are selected at random, what is the probability that exactly 3? So you see, our n is 15, but our x depends on the question. For A, we have x is equals to 3. For B, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, and then x is equals to 2, because less than 2. Sorry, x is equals to 0 and 1. Less than 2, because x can take 0. More than 3. So we use the difference now and subtract. Now we go ahead and answer the question. So from A, we have that probability for probability of x equals to 3. This is equals to what? 15, because of course our n is equals to 15. 15 combination 3 times 0.2, which is our P, raised to the power of x, which is equals to 3, times Q, which is equals to 0.8, raised to the power of n minus x, 15 minus 3, which is equals to 13. But this is going to be, so 15 combination 3, in our examples, we have shown how to calculate this, and this can be computed as 455. And this raised to the power of 3, use your calculator, you're going to have 0.008 times this, you're going to have 0.0687 using a calculator. And so you are going to have in all 0.25, and that is for the A part of the question. Now we go to the B part of the question. For the B part of the question, we say probability of x less than 2. X less than 2, it means the numbers, the discrete numbers less than 2 are 0 and 1. So this is equals to probability of x equals to 0 plus probability of x equals to 1. Now we go ahead and compute P of x equals to 0. So that is going to be 15 combination 0 times 0.2 raised power of x, which is equals to 0, times 0.8 raised power of n minus x, and that is equals to 15, because 15 minus 0 is 15. And this is going to give us 15 combination 0 is always 15, because n combination 0 is equals to n combination 0 is going to be 1, which is the same thing as n combination 1. This is 1 times anything raised power 0, the answer is 1 according to the law of indices, times 0.8 raised power 15. And after using a calculator, we're going to have 0.035. And this is going to be, in all, 0.035, because 1 times 0.035 is going to be 0.035 for this value. And then we go to when x is equals to 1. When x is equals to 1, so we're going to have p of x equals to 1. We can just say p of x. And that is equals to 15 combination 1 times p, which is equals to 0.2 raised power of 1 times 0.8 raised power of 15 minus 1, which is equals to 14. And this is going to give us 15 combination 1. I think that is going to give us 15 times 0.2 raised power 1 is 0.2 times 0.8 raised to power of 14 is going to give us 0.04. In all, we are going to have 0.132. Therefore, the probability of x less than 2 is equals to 0.035 plus 0.132. And that is going to be, in all, we're going to have 0.167. And then we go to the C part of the question, which is saying that probability of x greater than 3, and that is going to be 1 minus probability of x less than or equals to 3. Because we cannot exhaust the case until we follow it in this way. And so you find the probability of x less than x equals to 3. We have done it already. You find the and then just say 1 minus that. And that is equals to probability of x equals to 2, which we have not done yet. So you do probability of x equals to 2 and then solve. And that is equals to 15 combination 2 times 0.2 raised power of 2 times 0.8 raised power of 15 minus 2, which is equals to 13. And that is equals to 15 combination 2 is going to give us 105 times 0.2 raised power 2 is going to 0.04 times 0.8 raised power 13 is going to be 0.055. And that is going to give us 0.23. And so we're going to have, in all, you're going to have probability of x greater than 3 is equals to 1 minus probability of, you see, 1 minus all these values. You sum up all the values, which is equals to 1 minus 0.167, which we have gotten, and then plus 0.23, and then plus 0.25. So this is going to give us 1 minus 0.648, and that is equals to approximately equals to 0.35 to 2 decimal places. Thank you for watching.